Visión y Compromiso was formed by leaders who came together, 5 promotoras, and what they decided was that they wanted a group to represent them. They wanted to be able to come together and to build leadership and to support each other. And that's when the network was formed, the network of promotoras and community health workers. And our name in Spanish is La Red de Promotoras y Trabajadores Comunitarios, which is the network of promotoras and community leaders.
At the very beginning, I think the impact that we had is really bringing people to the table, really bringing people to not only come together, but to start to do work in unison. Being able to bring to the forefront what the Promotor model is, why it's so effective, and centering the Promotor, and as a result, centering health equity and social equity along the way.
Una promotora es un agente de cambio. Es una líder nata de su comunidad que va y genera un cambio social. ¿Por qué es importante el promotor dentro de las comunidades? Precisamente por eso, porque observa lo que está a su alrededor, ve las necesidades que existen o las situaciones que esta comunidad está pasando y empieza a generar algo distinto para el bien de la comunidad. Empieza a tomar acción y poder lograr cambios significativos dentro de su comunidad. Y no es únicamente en el área de salud, sino también ve y observa las situaciones sociales, económicas, políticas de esa comunidad.
Lo que yo amo de mi trabajo es el poder ver la felicidad y la alegría de tantas personas en mi comunidad que han sido beneficiadas por el trabajo que nosotros, los promotores de salud, los promotores comunitarios, les podemos dar a ellos cuando nosotros les damos la facilidad a ellos para que aprendan y se eduquen referente a las necesidades que ellos tienen, sobre todo en lo que es la salud.
Promotores, for me, is a part of life. It's just growing up into that model that we can become part of the transformation for our community. So I think it impacts very, very much. There's a lot of people that want to become part of the training and try to develop those skills to then support the community as well. I believe that it's very crucial to expand the Promotores model because it gives the opportunity to somebody who maybe feels and sees the needs of their community, sees that there's issues that they want to tackle, but they don't know how. I believe that Promotores model provides the opportunity to grow into their own voice, feel comfortable in who they are, know how to address these issues in a way that is not condescending, but it's in a way to be part of the solution.
We're always training, we're always building leadership, we're always supporting what the issues are locally, regionally, and statewide. And now because we're a national organization in other states, the issues become a little more amplified. We are at the policy level, at the federal, the state level. But really it comes down to what happens in your neighborhood. How is it that they can impact change? How can they find out information? We believe that there is a role for Promotor to be involved from preconception to death. And this person exists in every community.
Es importante empujar la fuerza laboral, ya que los promotores juegan un papel importante y tienen habilidades y destrezas que pueden utilizar en diferentes sectores, no únicamente en el área de la salud o en el sector clínico, sino también en el área de investigación, en el área de trabajo comunitario o con investigadores o instituciones o en el área de educación.
The future for Visión y Compromiso, I think, is really exciting. We're celebrating 20 years this year, and it's exciting because what we see is even more attention being placed on this grassroots model. And I take COVID-19 just as an example because we can build on that. This pandemic has actually given us an opportunity to showcase this work even further. We've gotten involved in the census, we're getting involved in the voting. So it's outside of the traditional public health sphere. But if we understand that public health is much broader than physical and mental health, but it also includes our social well-being. And when we include community at the table, there is success. And I think that's what the future holds for Visión y Compromiso, is even further integration of the model and having what I see is some of these grassroots leaders run for office, building their capacity to continue to be the voice for their communities.